What can we learn about the past? A. Only about rulers and merchants. B. Only about hunters and herders. C. Only about the kinds of clothes people wore. D. Various aspects of people's lives and activities. Answer D. Various aspects of people's lives and activities. Where have people lived along the banks for several 100,000 years? A. Ganges River. B. Nile River. C. Amazon River. D. Narmada River. Answer D. Narmada River. What was the occupation of some of the earliest people along the Narmada River? A. Merchants. B. Hunters and gatherers. C. Farmers. D. Craftspersons. Answer B. Hunters and gatherers. What did skilled gatherers collect for their food? A. Crops. B. Seafood. C. Forest produce. D. Livestock. Answer C. Forest produce. What is the primary focus of studying the past? A. Modern technology. B. Cultural practices. C. Predicting the future. D. Understanding historical events. Answer D. Understanding historical events. What did early people along the Narmada River primarily hunt? A. Fish. B. Wild animals. C. Birds. D. Insects. Answer B. Wild animals. Which of the following is not mentioned as an occupation along the Narmada River? A. Craftspersons. B. Scientists. C. Musicians. D. Traders. Answer D. Traders. What did skilled gatherers know about in the surrounding forests? A. Precious stones. B. Gold mines. C. Vast wealth of plants. D. Ancient ruins. Answer C. Vast wealth of plants. What is the source of information about the lives of people in the past? A. Internet. B. Historical artifacts. C. Television. D. Social media. Answer B. Historical artifacts. Where did agriculture first develop about 8,000 years ago, with the cultivation of crops like wheat and barley, and the domestication of animals such as sheep, goat, and cattle? A. Himalayan foothills. B. Sulaiman and Kirthar hills. C. Garo hills. D. Vindhyas. Answer B. Sulaiman and Kirthar hills. Which region in ancient times, now lying in the state of Bihar, was known for its powerful rulers and large kingdom along the rivers Ganga and its tributary Son? A. Magad. B. Garo hills. C. Vindhyas. D. Kirthar hills. Answer A. Magad. Approximately 4,700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the banks of which river and its tributaries? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Indus. D. Son. Answer C. Indus. Around 2,500 years ago, cities developed on the banks of which river and its tributaries, along with the sea coasts? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Indus. D. Son. Answer A. Ganga. Which hills are located to the northeast, where agriculture also developed and played a significant role in early human settlement? A. Sulaiman and Kirthar hills. B. Garo hills. C. Vindhyas. D. Himalayan foothills. Answer B. Garo hills. In ancient times, which area along the rivers to the south of the Ganga was known for its powerful rulers and large kingdom? A. Vindhyas. B. Magad. C. Garo hills. D. Himalayan foothills. Answer B. Magad. Where were some of the earliest cities established about 4,700 years ago, fostering advanced civilizations? A. Ganga and its tributaries. B. Yamuna and its tributaries. C. Indus and its tributaries. D. Son and its tributaries. Answer C. Indus and its tributaries. Which region in central India is known for its ancient hills and played a role in the development of agriculture? A. Sulaiman and Kirthar Hills. B. Garo Hills. C. Vindhyas. D. Himalayan foothills. Answer C. Vindhyas. What were the main crops that people first began to grow about 8,000 years ago in the areas of Sulaiman and Kirthar Hills? A. Rice and maize. B. Wheat and barley. C. Millet and sorghum. D. Cotton and jute. Answer B. Wheat and barley. What motivated people to travel in ancient times according to the passage? A. Leisure and tourism. B. Escaping natural disasters and seeking livelihood. C. Military conquests and invasions. D. Religious pilgrimages only. Answer B. Escaping natural disasters and seeking livelihood. What natural features posed challenges to ancient travelers? A. Dense forests. B. Swamps and marshlands. C. Hills, mountains, deserts, rivers, and seas. D. Plateaus and plains. Answer C. Hills, mountains, deserts, rivers, and seas. How did religious teachers contribute to the exchange of ideas in ancient times? A. By leading military campaigns. B. By walking from village to village, offering instruction and advice. C. By trading valuable goods. D. By settling in one place and not moving. Answer B. By walking from village to village, offering instruction and advice. What role did merchants play in ancient travel? A. Leading armies. B. Conquering new lands. C. Carrying valuable goods in caravans or ships. D. Offering religious teachings. Answer C. Carrying valuable goods in caravans or ships. How did people from different regions enrich cultural traditions in the subcontinent? A. By avoiding interactions with each other. B. By building natural barriers. C. By sharing ideas and practices. D. By staying within their own communities. Answer C. By sharing ideas and practices. Why was it difficult to cross the natural frontiers of the subcontinent? A. Due to dense forests. B. Due to military presence. C. Due to dangerous animals. D. Due to geographical features like mountains and seas. Answer D. Due to geographical features like mountains and seas. How did the movement of people across frontiers affect the subcontinent's cultural traditions? A. It isolated cultures. B. It led to cultural homogeneity. C. It enriched cultural traditions. D. It had no impact on culture. Answer C. It enriched cultural traditions. What is not mentioned as a reason for contemporary travel? A. Business and trade. B. Tourism and leisure. C. Escaping natural disasters. D. Military conquests. Answer D. Military conquests. What drives some people to travel in the modern era according to the passage? A. Escaping natural disasters. B. Seeking livelihood. C. Spirit of adventure and discovery. D. Religious pilgrimages only. Answer C. Spirit of adventure and discovery. From the next para. What is the origin of the name India? A. Latin. B. Sanskrit. C. Greek. D. Persian. Answer B. Sanskrit. Which river was called Sindhu in Sanskrit? A. Ganges. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Indus. Answer D. Indus. Who referred to the Indus as Hindos or Indos about 2500 years ago? A. Egyptians. B. Persians. C. Greeks. D. Romans. Answer C. Greeks. What is the earliest composition in Sanskrit that mentions the people called Bharatha? A. Mahabharata. B. Ramayana. C. Rigveda. D. Upanishads. Answer C. Rigveda. What material was commonly used for writing manuscripts in ancient times? A. Papyrus. B. Parchment. C. Palm leaf. D. Bamboo. Answer C. Palm leaf. Which tree's bark was used for writing manuscripts in the Himalayas? A. Oak. B. Pine. C. Birch. D. Cedar. Answer C. Birch. What does the Latin word manu mean? A. Heart. B. Mind. C. Hand. D. Eye. Answer C. Hand. Which ancient civilization used the name Hindus for the region east of the Indus? A. Egyptian. B. Mesopotamian. C. Greek. D. Chinese. Answer C. Greek. In which mountain range does the birch tree, used for manuscript writing, grow? A. Andes. B. Alps. C. Himalayas. D. Rockies. Answer C. Himalayas. What does the name Bharat refer to in the context of the past? A. A river. B. A group of people. C. An empire. D. A mountain. Answer B. A group of people. From next para. What is the origin of the word India? A. Greek. B. Latin. C. Sanskrit. D. Persia. Answer C. Sanskrit. Which river is referred to as Sindhu in Sanskrit? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Indus. Answer D. Indus. What is the other name for India derived from Indian tradition? A. Hindustan. B. Bharat. C. Hind. D. Aryavat. Answer B. Bharat. In which language were many ancient Indian manuscripts written? A. Greek. B. Latin. C. Sanskrit. D. Persia. Answer C. Sanskrit. Where were many ancient Indian manuscripts often preserved? A. Libraries. B. Palaces. C. Temples and monasteries. D. Museums. Answer C. Temples and monasteries. What were inscriptions typically written on in ancient India? A. Papyrus. B. Cloth. C. Stone or metal. D. Wood. Answer C. Stone or metal. Why did kings sometimes get their orders inscribed? A. For decoration. B. To show off wealth. C. To ensure people could see, read, and obey them. D. For religious purposes. Answer C. To ensure people could see, read, and obey them. What kinds of subjects did ancient Indian manuscripts cover? A. Only religious beliefs. B. Only epics and poems. C. Medicine and science, religious beliefs, lives of kings, and more. D. Only plays. Answer C. Medicine and science, religious beliefs, lives of kings, and more. Which language was not commonly used for writing manuscripts in ancient India? A. Sanskrit. B. Prakrit. C. Tamil. D. Pali. Answer D. Pali. What did kings often record in inscriptions? A. Personal thoughts. B. Records of victories in battle. C. Love poems. D. Religious scriptures. Answer B. Records of victories in battle. From next para. What is the primary focus of archaeologists? A. Studying living organisms. B. Analyzing celestial bodies. C. Examining historical objects. D. Investigating chemical reactions. Answer C. Examining historical objects. Why do objects made of hard, imperishable substances often survive for a long time? A. Due to their lightweight. B. Because they are resistant to decay. C. They are easier to excavate. D. They are more aesthetically pleasing. Answer B. Because they are resistant to decay. What do archaeologists search for to determine past dietary habits? A. Paintings and sculpture. B. Tools and weapons. C. Bones of animals, birds, and fish. D. Ornaments and cons. Answer C. Bones of animals, birds, and fish. Which materials might survive in a charred form when excavated? A. Stone. B. Bone. C. Metal. D. Wood and grain seeds. Answer D. Wood and grain seeds. What is the primary reason for exploring and excavating the Earth's surface in archaeology? A. Discovering new species. B. Finding ancient coins. C. Locating valuable minerals. D. Uncovering historical artifacts. Answer D. Uncovering historical artifacts. Why is cloth less frequently found by archaeologists compared to other materials? A. Cloth is easily decomposed. B. Cloth is too heavy to preserve. C. Cloth is not valuable. D. Cloth is resistant to fire. Answer A. Cloth is easily decomposed. What is the primary focus of the study of archaeologists when exploring remains of buildings? A. Architectural design. B. Construction materials. C. Decorative elements. D. Historical context. Answer D. Historical context. Which of the following substances is not mentioned as a material used in making objects studied by archaeologists? A. Stone. B. Bone. C. Baked clay. D. Plastic. Answer D. Plastic. What do archaeologists study when examining paintings and sculpture? A. Artistic techniques. B. Historical events. C. Geological formations. D. Cultural traditions. Answer D. Cultural traditions. Why do archaeologists explore and excavate under the surface of the earth? A. To find buried treasure. B. To study geological processes. C. To uncover hidden artifacts. D. To search for rare minerals. Answer C. To uncover hidden artifacts. In archaeology, what are charred plant remains often associated with? A. Ancient recipes. B. Religious rituals. C. Agricultural practices. D. Trade routes. Answer C. Agricultural practices. What do archaeologists analyze to determine the age of artifacts? A. Color. B. Weight. C. Carbon dating. D. Shape. Answer C. Carbon dating. Which of the following is not a type of material that may survive for a long time? A. Metal. B. Glass. C. Plastic. D. Stone. Answer C. Plastic. What role do coins play in archaeological studies? A. Aesthetic value. B. Economic transactions. C. Religious symbolism. D. Currency exchange rates. Answer B. Economic transactions. What is the primary objective of studying remains of pottery by archaeologists? A. Understanding artistic techniques. B. Identifying cooking methods. C. Tracing trade routes. D. Determining cultural preferences. Answer B. Identifying cooking methods. Why are bones of animals, birds, and fish valuable to archaeologists? A. They indicate climate conditions. B. They reveal past hunting practices. C. They are used for artistic purposes. D. They help determine soil composition. Answer B. They reveal past hunting practices. Which type of remains is least likely to survive in archaeological excavations? A. Stone tools. B. Metal artifacts. C. Wooden objects. D. Pottery. Answer C. Wooden objects. What is the primary purpose of examining the charred remains of seeds? A. Identifying plant species. B. Tracing migration patterns. C. Understanding agricultural practices. D. Analyzing climate change. Answer C. Understanding agricultural practices. What is the significance of studying ornaments in archaeology? A. Religious rituals. B. Fashion trends. C. Economic status. D. Artistic expression. Answer C. Economic status. What role does the study of ancient cloth play in archaeological research? A. Determining textile technology. B. Uncovering ancient recipes. C. Tracing migration patterns. D. Understanding architectural design. Answer A. Determining textile technology. What do historians and archaeologists use as clues to reconstruct the past? A. Paintings. B. Manuscripts, inscriptions, and archaeology. C. Fictional stories. D. Oral traditions. Answer B. Manuscripts, inscriptions, and archaeology. Why do historians and archaeologists use sources to study the past? A. To create fictional stories. B. To make predictions about the future. C. To reconstruct the past bit by bit. D. To entertain people. Answer C. To reconstruct the past bit by bit. In the title Our Pasts, why is the word pasts used in the plural? A. To confuse readers. B. To emphasize the future. C. To highlight the diversity of the past for different groups of people. D. To suggest time travel. Answer C. To highlight the diversity of the past for different groups of people. Who are compared to detectives in the context of studying the past? A. Farmers. B. Merchants. C. Historians and archaeologists. D. Kings and queens. Answer C. Historians and archaeologists. What is mentioned as a contemporary difference in the way people get their food? A. People in cities fish and hunt for food. B. People in the Andaman Islands depend on others for food. C. People in cities collect forest produce. D. People in the Andaman Islands get food supplies from cities. Answer B. People in the Andaman Islands depend on others for food. What is one example of the diversity in the past mentioned in the passage? A. Everyone followed the same practices and customs. B. Kings and queens lived similar lives to farmers. C. Merchants had the same lifestyle as craftspersons. D. Different groups of people had different lives and practices. Answer D. Different groups of people had different lives and practices. Which of the following is not mentioned as a source used by historians? A. Manuscripts. B. Inscriptions. C. Fictional stories. D. Archaeology. Answer C. Fictional stories. Question: in what way are historians and archaeologists similar to detectives? A. They both solve crimes. B. They both use sources as clues. C. They both work alone. D. They both predict the future. Answer B. They both use sources as clues. What is the main idea behind using the word pasts in the title? A. To suggest multiple time periods. B. To indicate the future. C. To highlight different perspectives on the past. D. To confuse readers. Answer C. To highlight different perspectives on the past. What is emphasized as a common practice even today in the Andaman Islands? A. Collecting forest produce. B. Depending on others for food. C. Fishing, hunting, and collecting forest produce. D. Getting food supplies from cities. Answer C. Fishing, hunting, and collecting forest produce. What type of historical information is often more readily available due to record keeping? A. Ordinary people's daily activities. B. Kings and battles. C. Hunters and gatherers. D. Farmers and herders. Answer B. Kings and battles. Which field of study helps uncover information about the lives of ordinary people from the past? A. Paleontology. B. Sociology. C. Archaeology. D. Anthropology. Answer C. Archaeology. In history, who typically kept records of their victories? A. Ordinary people. B. Farmers. C. Kings. D. Hunters. Answer C. Kings. What type of people generally did not keep records of their daily activities? A. Kings and queens. B. Fishing folk. C. Ordinary people. D. Farmers. Answer C. Ordinary people. Which profession is not mentioned as one of the groups who did not keep records? A. Hunters. B. Fishing folk. C. Gatherers. D. Scribes. Answer D. Scribes. What does archaeology primarily rely on to uncover information about the past? A. Written records. B. Oral traditions. C. Physical artifacts. D. Paintings and drawings. Answer C. Physical artifacts. Which of the following is a common source of information about the lives of ancient people? A. Social media. B. Television shows. C. Artifacts and ruins. D. Magazines. Answer C. Artifacts and ruins. What does GK stand for in the context of education? A. General knowledge. B. Great knowledge. C. General kindness. D. Good karma. Answer A. General knowledge. Which branch of science studies the behavior and characteristics of human societies? A. Biology. B. Sociology. C. Psychology. D. Chemistry. Answer B. Sociology. What is the main focus of general studies, GS, in education? A. Specialized knowledge. B. In-depth research. C. A broad range of subjects. D. Technical skills. Answer C. A broad range of subjects. When are dates generally counted from in the current calendar system? A. The birth of Muhammad. B. The birth of Buddha. C. The birth of Jesus Christ. D. The fall of the Roman Empire. Answer C. The birth of Jesus Christ. What do the years before the birth of Christ usually have added to them? A. AD, after death. B. AC, after Christ. C. BC, before Christ. D. BCE, before Common Era. Answer C. BC, before Christ. In the provided text, what is the starting point for counting dates going back from the present? A. 1000. B. 1500. C. 1800. D. 2000. Answer D. 2000. What does AD stand for in the context of dates? A. After death. B. Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord. C. After dawn. D. All day. Answer B. Anno Domini, in the year of our Lord. Which founder's birth year is used as the reference point for the current calendar system? A. Moses. B. Abraham. C. Jesus Christ. D. Confucius. Answer C. Jesus Christ. What does BCE stand for? A. Before Common Era. B. Before Christian Era. C. Before Current Era. D. Both A and B. Answer A. Before Common Era. In what era do we live today, according to the current calendar system? A. Christian Era. B. Common Era. C. Present Era. D. Modern Era. Answer B. Common Era. Which term is commonly used as an alternative to BC, before Christ? A. BP, before present. B. BCE, before Common Era. C. BJE, before Jesus Era. D. BME, before Modern Era. Answer B. BCE, before Common Era. What does the author use as a reference point for dates in the book mentioned in the paragraph? A. The invention of writing. B. The Renaissance. C. The Industrial Revolution. D. The year 2000. Answer D. The year 2000. Which religious figure is mentioned as the founder of Christianity in the paragraph? A. Moses. B. Buddha. C. Jesus Christ. D. Muhammad. Answer C. Jesus Christ. What is the meaning of BCE in the dating system? A. Before Christian era. B. Before Christ's existence. C. Before Common Era. D. Before Christ's epoch. Answer C. Before Common Era. In which country did the use of the Christian era in dating begin about 200 years ago, as mentioned in the paragraph? A. China. B. India. C. Greece. D. Italy. Answer B. India. What is the significance of the letters C and BC in the dating system? A. Christian epoch. B. Contemporary epoch. C. Common era and before Common era. D. Christ's era and before Christ's era. Answer C. Common era and before Common era. What do the letters BP signify in the dating system? A. Before period. B. Before present. C. Before past. D. Before prehistoric. Answer B. Before present. Which term is an equivalent of AD in the dating system? A. C. B. BC. C. BP. D. BC. Answer A. C. What language do the Latin words anno domini translate to? A. Greek. B. Italian. C. Spanish. D. English. Answer D. English. Why are the terms C and BC used in the dating system? A. To emphasize Christian dominance. B. To represent a more inclusive and neutral approach. C. To commemorate ancient civilizations. D. To simplify historical records. Answer B. To represent a more inclusive and neutral approach. Where was the Rosetta Stone found? A. Rome. B. Athens. C. Alexandria. D. Rosetta. Answer C. Alexandria. How many languages and scripts were inscribed on the Rosetta Stone? A. 1 language, 1 script. B. 2 languages, 2 scripts. C. 3 languages, 3 scripts. D. 4 languages, 4 scripts. Answer C. 3 languages, 3 scripts. What was the significance of the cartouche in deciphering the Rosetta Stone? A. It contained the key to decipherment. B. It enclosed the names of kings and queens. C. It represented a sacred symbol. D. It held the main inscription text. Answer B. It enclosed the names of kings and queens. Which of the following animals represented the letter L in the decipherment process of Egyptian letters on the Rosetta Stone? A. Lion. B. Bird. C. Elephant. D. Snake. Answer A. Lion. What was the primary language used by scholars to decipher the Rosetta Stone? A. Hieroglyphics. B. Greek. C. Latin. D. Demotic. Answer B. Greek. In which country did the process of decipherment of the Rosetta Stone take place? A. Greece. B. Italy. C. Egypt. D. France. Answer D. Egypt. What does the term decipherment refer to in the context of inscriptions? A. The creation of new scripts. B. The identification of sounds for letters. C. The destruction of inscriptions. D. The study of inscriptions. Answer B. The identification of sounds for letters. Which coast of Egypt was Rosetta located on? A. East coast. B. West coast. C. North coast. D. South coast. Answer C. North coast. How many years ago did kings and queens exist in Egypt according to the passage? A. 1000 years. B. 3000 years. C. 5000 years. D. 7000 years. Answer C. 5000 years. What did scholars place side by side to decipher the Rosetta Stone? A. Hieroglyphs and Greek gods. B. Greek and Latin inscriptions. C. Greek and Egyptian signs. D. Hieroglyphs and Demotic script. Answer C. Greek and Egyptian signs. Imagine You have to interview an archaeologist. Prepare a list of 5 questions that you would like to ask her/him. Solution. What is archaeology? What does an archaeologist do? What is the process involved in excavation? How do archaeologists determine the age of any of the objects discovered from excavations? Why are symbols important in the field of archaeology? Match solution. Narmada Valley hunting and gathering. Indus and its tributaries, the first cities. Ganga Valley cities about 2500 years ago. Major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Manuscripts, they were written by hand. These were usually written on palm leaves or on the specially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch, which grows in the Himalayas. Inscriptions, these are writings engraved on relatively hard surfaces such as stone or metal. Solution 3. One can think of 4 different ways. Inscriptions, manuscripts, tools and weapons. Reading the books written in the past. Solution 4. The findings of archaeologists could be of 9 different types. Buildings made of stone and brick. Paintings. Tools. Weapons. Pots. Pans. Ornaments. Coins. The objects that could be made up of stones are given below. Buildings. Tools. Weapons. Ornaments. Solution 5. Unlike the present day, record keeping was not easy in the past. Records were usually maintained by kings to describe their victories in battles. Those records were maintained by inscribing on stones, which was not an easy task for ordinary men and women to do. Solution 6. 1. Kings had absolute power over all their subjects, irrespective of their profession. Farmers had no such powers. 2. Kings lived in palaces. Farmers had no such opportunities. 3. The king was responsible for protecting his kingdom by waging battles, whereas the farmer's responsibilities were to grow crops. Summary of this chapter. How people lived in the past, where they lived in the past. Names of lands. Manuscripts and inscriptions. Understanding of dates BC, CE. If you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with fellow history enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting journeys through time. But wait, our journey doesn't end here. In the next chapters, we'll dive into the fascinating world of ancient texts, unraveling the stories engraved on scrolls and manuscripts. Any suggestions or thoughts on today's video? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring history. Thank you for joining us on this historical adventure. Meet you in the next chapters as we continue to uncover the mysteries of the past. Remember, history is not just a subject, it's a journey that connects us to our roots. Like, share, subscribe, and stay curious. Until then, take care and see you soon.